Day, February 27th, about 5:20 p.m. Pressure's going down a little bit. I don't have a leak, but I think the fluid is going in here so quick. I cut a nice, fresh, over 3-inch comb today. Brought it right home, cleaned it up real nice. Well, except for down here, I didn't get that too much. A lot of scale still. But put the boot on there and got 20 pounds of pressure in there. Wow, look how much water came through that in just like 1 or 2 minutes. It's coming all the way around too. So that is going to be absolutely treated here. Yeah, that tastes like water. Fluid hasn't got through there, but it is definitely going through very fast, quickly even. So pressure treating definitely working good, but you got to have a fresh, green, newly cut comb for it to work best.